I'm Erica, also known as E.MoniQue, and this is my real life. Hang out with me as I side-eye the ups and stumble through the downs. Watch as I turn my tiny piece of the Arizona desert into a tropical oasis. Fight to beat infertility and figure out where I fit as an artist in this crazy creative world. All while awkwardly discovering my authentic self. I'll be talking out loud about the things I wish someone would have said a while ago and sorting through what I wish I didn't know. Who knows? Maybe you can relate, as I often ask myself.
So I wake up this morning and my body is doing some weird things. Do I want to wear this? No. What do I want to wear then? I'm not gonna sunscreen it today, even though it's gonna be 100 and hell outside. I'm not gonna sunscreen. Cause I'm gonna be outside, but I'm not gonna be like outside all like for hours. Well, I don't know. Should I sunscreen? I feel like I should. No, I'm not gonna do it. I need the vitamin D. So I wake up and like my body is not fitting into anything. I can usually tell if I've gained or lost weight by like my lower half. Not so much my stomach, because my stomach goes up and down, it bloats, like I can't tell that I've gained weight in my belly. So if it's big, that doesn't mean that I've gained weight. It's just, it could be a plethora of other things. But when I put my jeans on, you can't see, but I don't know, like something about, hold on. Okay. This area, it doesn't feel the same. It just feels very full. And you know what? I have been having a lot of salt, but that's not like, is your whole body gonna like fill up with water weight, or is it just like in your gut? Because I have been having a lot of salty things, and I wonder if like let me check my fingers. Usually I can tell my fingers if they're puffy or not, but I don't have my rings in here right now. Hold on, let me get my rings. So let's put the rings on and see if my fingers are chunky, because I can tell in my hands. And so far, no, they're not. Nope. Well, apparently I've gained a little weight. Because, again, my lower half is just like, I don't know, not fitting. I guess that's what we're doing. But now it feels like my shirt isn't fitting the way that it normally fits. This shirt, granted it's crop, it doesn't show this much. This shirt doesn't show that much. I don't know what is going on. Find another shirt. I think this is gonna make me feel more comfortable, even though I typically don't wear denim and a t-shirt to work, even on like Fridays. If I wear a t-shirt, it's with slacks and then I'll wear a blouse with my jeans, but right now, today, this is gonna have to do. I don't think that I have any appointments today. I think they're all virtual or over the phone. So I think I'm okay. But I wanted to wear jeans today because it's going to be a short day, hella short. And then I wanted to wear that black shirt, but I don't feel comfortable in it right now. You know how like your body does a little something different and you just don't feel comfortable 100%? That's what's happening today. Like, it's fine, but also put it away for work at least. And you're probably like, why are you wearing black and it's 100 and hell out? Because I want to wear black. Hair. Let's do the hair. I need to find that scrunchie. Look at all this gray. This is not fuzz. Look at all this gray come in. Well, in real life, it doesn't look that bad, but on the camera, like all these light spots, that's not fuzz. Do I have the shirt on the right way? Yeah, okay. This front part of my hair. Can you tell? I'm sure you can tell, but you see how the rest of my hair is like smooth and wavy and it like falls in line? Even to like, it falls in line to here. See that? To here. All the way around. Falls in line, falls in line. And then you get to here and you get to here and it just stops obeying. And then you have this. And it's always been this way. I don't understand why. I don't know how to get this part to fall in line with the rest of it. Annoying, really. I was supposed to do my hair last weekend and I failed at it, and then I decided not to at all. Because it's monsoon season and it's super humid and it's been like off and on rainy, and I'm like, I'm not about to do my hair only for it to come right back because it rained. This is why I was crying about cutting my hair, because you know, I get to the point where I'm tired of doing something. I wouldn't even consider like putting my hair in a ponytail, doing my hair. It's not. I get tired of like the lack of manicured style and look that I have, but also I'm not paying somebody $1 million to do my hair. Like, I'm just not. I've had to do that my whole life. And also, I guess I've just never figured out how to do it myself, but I don't want to. I don't know. I guess I have a problem then, don't I? I don't want to pay someone. I don't want to learn how to do manicured styles. I just want it to be simple. I've always been a simple person, either curly or straight or cut. Or bunned. But the problem at this point now is that I've had to deal with my hair being short for a while because I keep freaking cutting it. If I would just let it grow longer, it would be easier. Short hair is not easier. It's harder, in my opinion. I always like to use this wax for the front of my hair to get it to fall in line. I really don't. Because it straightens it. Okay. All right, now I need to get the rest of my hair to go. Oh gosh. have to be strong to do this hair. Can't be no pump. Ugh. Hair goes all the way down my neck. Whew. Alright. It's like why is it way down there? And it's just way down here and way down here. I feel like it's not in the middle, just here. Collagen and Moroccan oil. It's collagen and biotin and I think almond oil. Yeah, my hair is definitely grown. So I need to support it. Supports. Okay. That's, and see, I put that, I don't know, I think my hair in the front is just a different texture. I put that stuff on it and it doesn't look like it. Like it's still like rebelling against. But I don't want to be too harsh on it because right here and right here is where I can get a little thin. So that's also why I don't really mess with this area too much, because I feel like if I do too much, it will be thin in here. It is already a little bit, but I've seen it be thinner and I'm like, what is happening? So I just leave it alone. I will put a bobby pin there because it's really thick in here and the scrunchie is not doing it. It's not getting it together. A really bad pollen day because my sinuses are kind of going ham. Kind of going ham. It is cold in here. I turn the air down so low at night so that I can sleep, that when I wake up in the morning and come out here, it's freezing. I need socks on my feet immediately. Whew. Golly. And then as soon as I get outside, I'm gonna be crying. Okay. Do I wanna wear these or do I wanna wear my... Okay, well, you know what? I think that's it for this morning, or at least in here. I'm gonna eat my almonds, get ready to go. Because I want to listen to like my podcast or something, so instead of talking to myself. Started off as 127, now it's going down. I love when my like thermometer doesn't know what's going on, because it's so freaking hot out, even though I'm under an awning all day. But that's just wild. It can't be 100 and some odd degrees inside. Like, I get that it's hotter inside than it is outside, but I don't know, 127 degrees, 119 degrees. I don't know if I feel that in here, so my thermometer must be tripping. There is is a special place in heaven for those of you who stand in the middle of spaces, in the middle of the road, in the middle of the way, in the middle of the sidewalk, in the middle of the hallway, in the middle of the door, just standing in the way of people. There's a special place for you in heaven. I'm not going to say the other place because I don't know you like that. But for those of you who do that, just know that before, like as soon as you walk into the pearly gates, before you get to have a good time, before you get it cracking, you have to sit through probably like a half-day seminar of why you cannot do that up here. Do not stand in the way up here. That is not a good idea. Move. Move. The seminar is called Move Out of the Way. God, if you see me coming, look. If you see me coming with my whole wagon full of groceries, move. Because I was coming down, I'm coming first. You just stepped out and just stood right here. Out of the way. Because I'm not moving. I have the right of way. Oh, gosh. The way that I did not want to go outside, and I know, okay, here, okay? How about that? It's like weird lighting day. The apartment is like, I don't know, it's weird lighting day. The way that I did not want to, oh God, help me. Okay, I guess. The way that I did not want to go outside today was so intense. I did not want to go outside. And rightfully so. Like my body immediately broke out into a, like just hot. It's just hot. People are outside kikiing, they're at the pool, I can hear music, they're man, I'm hungry. I ordered a spaghetti. Oh, I did. I guess I did. Okay, just checking. I got a taco, I got a spaghetti, and I got a chili pack. And I didn't remember putting in the spaghetti pack, but I guess I did. I got spaghetti noodles. Why wouldn't I get the pack? Anyways. It's the 4th and people are outside living their best life. More power to them. I don't want any parts of outside after this. It's so hot. No, thank you. It's supposed to be like, is it 115 or 116 today? Yeah, I think it is. Fuck outside. Nope. No. Absolutely not. I had to go because I had to get groceries finally, but other than that, no thank you. All right. What do we get? What do we get? Bananas. Ugh, must have them. Avocado. I'm about to crack these babies open right now so that I can have my nachos. I got my egg noodles. Because I really have been having a craving for chicken noodle soup without the chicken. So, got my egg noodles. A whole bag of red apples. I'm not a red apple person. My dad is. He loves red apples. I don't. I prefer everything green. But I'm making beet juice and I want to put red apple juice in with my beets and my carrots and lemon. So I got a whole bag so that I can juice. And then the rest of them, like I will eat them. Like if I'm hungry enough, I will eat a red apple. So that's what I'm going to do. I either need a bigger fruit bowl or I need a second fruit bowl. because the fruit bowl that I've been using, it holds like this much stuff, and that's not gonna work. I'm out of strawberry jam for my toast, so thank gosh. Goodness, I have that. My green bag of apples. I don't know why the green bag of apples is smaller than this. I mean, than the red bag. How many pounds is this? This is 3 pounds. That red bag is pounds. I think the red bag, was that one of the colors? I don't remember. There was only that option. It was either the only bag of apples was 5 pounds for red, or the only bag of apples for green was 3 pounds. I don't know. It's fine. I love apples. I will eat them. I will juice them. A regular onion. I got 4 pears because I was craving pears. I will probably juice 2 and eat 2. Likely, I will bake 2. I will bake 2 and juice 2. Because I liked cooked fruit. Like, I like raw fruit, but I also like cooked fruit on my pancakes. And last week I had cooked apples on my pancakes. Oh my God. Oh my God. So good. Got me some limes for everything. For my salads, for my ramen, for my guacamole. I can open the damn bag. Got limes. Ow! Fuck, Howard. Shit, he cut me. Ouch. Damn it, Howard. What did I ever do to you but love you? God. It doesn't take much for me to like I have really thin skin on my hands and on my fingers. Sometimes I just have scratches and I don't know where they came from. I've been fucking up this hand lately. And Howard just took a chunk out of me. Howard, these shits are sharp and he just dug into my whole skin. Freaking Howard. How's your baby doing, by the way? Looking good, strong. That new little piece, can you see? Let me move this side. This little piece is new. All of this. He's never moved, never done anything. I've had him for years. Then one day he decides to have a baby way over here. But these shits, ouch. Normally I would crack open one of these bags and have a snack while I'm unbagging and putting things away, but it's 2:30, almost 2:40, and I really need to just have lunch, so I need to not do that. Anyways, I got a big pack of Bluey kiwi fruits. I don't know why what Bluey has to do with it, but it's cute. These were the only ones available. I'll probably take a couple and like dice them up for my Jell-O fruit salad, and the rest I'll be juicing into my green juice, which will have kale, celery, green apple, a little lemon, and I think that's it. I'm kind of like over spinach right now. It gives me the willies. So, I haven't spinach in a while, and I don't know of any other green leaf that's good for juicing other than kale, regular kale. So, anyways, I got 2 pineapples. I don't know if they're good or not. I got 2 pineapples, one for juicing, one for slicing and eating. I haven't had pineapple in a little while, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Has a little bit of yellow on it, so I'll probably allow this to sit out maybe a couple days, because I don't know, something about my apartment. So, and they're really hard, so I could probably leave these out a couple days to get them super ripe. The way that I want to open these so bad. I want to open these so bad. I will not. And I got my honey roasted almonds, and then I will mix these a little bit with my regular raw almonds that I have. Yeah, maybe a little walnut. I finally got sun-dried tomatoes. Like, I've been wanting these for like my pasta dishes and just stuff. And so I finally got some. Oh, you saw that I got cereal. I got my regular, my Cheerios, my Honey Bunches of Oats, another box of Good Thins since they're still on sale at Walmart. I got gluten-free spaghetti because that is the bomb. Tomato paste, salad dressing, which I hope he put the other bottle in there because this stuff is always out. Always out. This is my favorite one. This is the Skinny Girl dressing. And my favorite, my absolute favorite is the Honey Dijon, and it is always out. So when it's in, I try to get two. So hopefully he put the other one in there. That would be great. The other flavors that I like are the balsamic, it's the raspberry vinaigrette. And then I just recently tried the poppy seed, which the poppy seed is good. Poppy seed dressing for me is a bit sweet, and I don't like, I know I put all kind of fruit in my green salad, but it's not sweet normally. So having that sweet poppy seed dressing on my greens is a little bit weird, but it is good. I just use it very, very sparingly. So that's what I got, the jelly, the tomato, all the stuff, the tabs. And then I got my chips, my unsalted kettle. I thought that these were all out because they took all of these and moved them out of the chip area and put them on an end cap in the deli section for some reason. And that's not okay because I almost didn't find them. I almost settled for 2 regular flavor bags of chips, which would have been full of sodium. That's not okay. So luckily I went over by the milk to get milk, and I saw these and I'm like, fuck that, I want what I want. So yay me. Stopping. All right, hold on. What's upsetting is that Walmart has, I hate this. Let me just do this. Because it's not like you're looking in my wagon. Just look at me, okay? I would appreciate that. Walmart has Chobani oat milk and every other flavor except vanilla. They do not carry the vanilla in the stores. So I have to go to a whole other store just to get vanilla oat milk, and that's annoying. I need to hurry up because I'm starving and I'm losing steam. Okay, Talenti is expensive ass. So expensive for this little tub of ice cream. I hate it, but I haven't had ice cream in a while, so I thought I'd treat myself to one Talenti. It is the dairy-free gelato that I have not had. I didn't know they had dairy-free other than the sorbet. But this one is double cookie crunch, and I'm excited about this for later because I've been needing a sweet treat. And then I got Oatly, which the shelves were almost empty on everything Oatly. So I got this, no dairy, no nuts, no gluten. This is the mint chip. So I'm excited to see what this is about. They had chocolate, they had fudge, they had coffee, they had all these things. And then in the very back, I saw that they had this. So this one is probably really good since people were tearing it up. Damn. I hope they're not broke. Okay, I did get eggs. I got another small pack. The reason being is because I want to make meatballs out of the lentils. One is cracked. Damn it. I want to make meatballs out of the lentils, and I need a binder. And one of the recipes, or a couple recipes that I found, one was add an egg, the other one was add oats and oat milk, Well, I don't buy oat milk that's not like for cereal. I just don't have plain unsweetened oat milk around, and I really didn't want to use oats. So I'm like, just get a small pack of eggs. And I think there's something else that I wanted to bake that calls for eggs. And it's just like, just do that. It'll be fine. I also, another substitute is, what do they call it? Flax eggs? Chia? I don't fucking know. I think it's chia eggs or chia gel. Child, I don't know. All right. Let me speed this up a little bit and stop talking. The strawberries smell good as hell. I might have to crack these open. They smell good. Damn. These things are huge as fuck. Look how big this is. I have big hands, I think. What? This is crazy. Okay. The yellow and the red ones are normal. It's not broccoli, it's the kale. I don't know how much juice I'm gonna get out of that, but we'll see. This, carrots. Oh shit, I thought these beets were gonna be bigger. Well, okay. Maybe I only need one bag of carrots then. They're all right. Okay. And good. Grapefruit. About to make me a burrito rub. Now, I know that this is a flour tortilla and there's a lot of them. There's 10 in here, but I just need them just for a bit. Just for a bit. The gluten-free ones are not this big. And I kind of don't want to fuck around with the gluten-free tortillas right now. They're not, I can't. Don't want to. Okie dokie. there's that. So the fertility center here in Arizona just called me. Was not expecting it. I guess that makes sense. Today's Friday. The appointment is on Monday, so they call the day before to confirm. So I just canceled it. And she was like, well, do you want to reschedule? And I was like, not right now. So that's that. All this big fucking buildup, and she catches my ass off guard, calls to confirm, and I cancel just like that, and it's done. And it's done. No more anxiety. Nothing to have anxiety over. Back to LIC I go. Okay.